Okay, so we have this week's lesson, sorry, and it's going to be recap on factorising. So we have 3 types of factorising. First one that we're going to consider is common factor. That is a national 4 topic, and I'll refer to it as CF. For 2, we've got difference of 2 squares. I'll refer to that as D2S. And then we have our trinomials. Basically, you can have a combination of either a common factor and a difference of 2 squares, or a common factor and a trinomial. Basically, what you need to do every time you look to factorise is always look for a common factor first. Okay, an explanation of what's going on here. Now, this is a common factor. So the first thing you want to do is to look for a common factor in each term. So the 3x is term 1, the 9 is term 2, technically minus 9, but it's not going to be that important just now. Sometimes you'll need to watch your signs. At the minute, I'm just looking at the numbers here because I know there is going to be a common factor between them. Taking the 3 out, taking the 9 out, I've put the x in brackets here just because I know that my answer is going to have a letter in it. I write the factors of 3, which is 1 and 3, and then I write the factors of 9, which is 1, 9, 3 and 3. The common factor from this goes outside the brackets, so the common factor in this case is 3. 9 isn't in both sets, so that's why 9 isn't the highest common factor. 3 is the highest common factor, that's the one you choose. Inside the bracket goes the partner to the common factor, so you can see here the partner was 1. 1 what? 1x. The partner to 3 for 9 is 3, so that's going in, and the minus comes down from the question. Okay, looking to next part, so we've got 45x squared, and we're going to take away 54xy. Now you can see that there's an x common to both terms, so we know that at least x is going to be a common factor in this example, okay? Sometimes we have combinations of letters and numbers as the common factors. Afterwards, what you need to do is find your factor pairs. You can see that I'm putting the letters that are going to have to go inside the brackets beside the 45 and the 54. That's just to remind me that I'm going to have to put them in as my final answer. I find the factor pairs. Next thing you need to do is decide which is the highest common factor. You'll find that's 9. Okay, so that's 9 is going outside the bracket. What's going inside? It's a partner. 5x and 6y, and there's a minus sign.